Hi everyone, this is Jayashree, Assistant Professor, Department of Triple E. Now we discuss upon measuring instrument. I introduce what are the different types of instruments used for measurements. What is measurements? What is measuring? Okay. What are the different types of measuring instrument? Like that, I will start today's class. Right. To start with, what is measurement? So measurement is an act or result of quantitative comparison between a predetermined standard and an unknown quantity. Okay. So what is that? What is measurement? Imagine how we measure our weight, otherwise our height. We used to stand upon near a wall, okay, and mark we mark the height. Then we measure our height using a scale, right? So we use a measuring tape or a scale for measuring the height of a person, right? So here what we are doing, just we are comparing our height with the scale. So scale is nothing but a predetermined standard scale, otherwise a measuring tape. So measuring tape is a predetermined standard which is defined by various agencies all over the world. Okay, so this is centimeter, this is millimeter. 10 centimeter equals 1, 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. These are the metrics standards decided by scientific laboratory all over the world. Okay, so measurement, so any unknown quantity is measured by comparing it with the known standards. Okay, known scales. So that is measurement. Then what is an instrument? Okay, the device used for measurement, we call it as an instrument. It's a device or mechanism used to determine the present value of a quantity under observation. We call it as an instrument. For example, weighing scale to measure the weight, we are using weighing scale. That thing is a weighing machine. That is an instrument. Okay. To measure a temperature, we use thermometer. That is an instrument. Okay. So instrument is a device used to measure the unknown quantity. Right. Then what are different types of instruments? There are three different types. We classify it in many ways. Major classification. Classification is based on the nature of operation, how it works, how it operates. So first one is indicating instrument. Indicating instrument is nothing but the instrument. These instruments indicates the value by a deflection. For example, ammeter, voltmeter, our weighing scale, analog scale. So how it gives the value of our weight, just it the pointer gets deflected and indicates the measurement. Okay, so that type of instrument we call it as indicating instrument. Second one is a recording instrument. Recording instrument is nothing but it gives a continuous data. For example, ECG, echocardiogram, that is which measures our heartbeat. That is a continuous data, right? Our weather report throughout the day, day report, monthly report, weather forecasting. So that is a record. Those instruments we call it as recording instrument. Third instrument we call this indicating integrating instrument. So integrating instrument is nothing but which integrates two to three quantities over a certain period of time and gives the value. For example, energy meter, that is kilowatt hour meter, what we use in our home to measure the EV bill. Okay, so that is an integrating instrument. It integrates how much power we consume for a particular time. That is power into time, it gives the energy. So that is a product of two or more quantities. So that type of instrument we call it as integrating instrument, right? Okay, coming to what is indicating. Indicating instruments indicates the instantaneous value of quantity under measurement. We call it as indicating instrument. Second one is recording instrument. Recording instrument give a continuous record of variation of quantity being measured, such as voltage, force frequency, power, measured for a particular time. This is a record. Okay. Recorders are commonly used in power plants, process industries. Right. Gives a continuous record of voltage, voltage at morning 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So It is a continuous data, right? So that is recording instrument, precision, power plants, control panel, and all. Then third one is integrating instruments. As I already told, is the one which takes in consideration the period or a time over which the pump is supplied. Example, ampere hour meter, energy meter are integrating instruments. Next, coming to next classification. Okay, how based on the display, how it gives the data. We get an analog data, means it is an analog instrument. If we get digital data, it is discrete data. If you get discrete data, that type of instrument we call it as digital instruments. This voltmeter is an analog instrument. Left side, what you are seeing the multimeter is a digital instrument, right? So analog information is a continuous and stepless function of time. Digital information is a discrete pulses and steps. Digital instruments have high resolutions, high readability. So that's all about introduction of measuring instrument. We'll discuss upon individual instruments in the next class. Thank you. Thanks for watching.